Welcome. If you want your Snapchat conversations to disappear right after your friend views them, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated way to make chats with a specific friend delete immediately after they're seen. This is perfect for keeping your messages private and your chat list clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat on your phone. Once you're on the main camera screen, look to the top left and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you to your profile page, where you'll see all your account details. Next, scroll down and tap on My Friends. This will show you a list of everyone you're connected with on Snapchat. Find the friend whose chat settings you want to change. Once you see their name, press and hold down on it. A menu will pop up with several options. Now, look to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. From the menu that appears, choose Chat and Notification Settings. This section lets you control how chats work with this friend. Here comes the important part. Tap on Deletes Chats. You'll see a couple of options for when chats should disappear. Select After Viewing. This means every message you send or receive in this chat will be deleted automatically as soon as it's been viewed by both you and your friend. That's it. From now on, your chats with this friend will vanish right after they're seen, just like Snapchat originally intended. If you ever want to switch back to keeping chats for 24 hours or longer, just follow these steps again and pick a different option. Remember, if you or your friends save a message in chat, it won't disappear until it's unsaved. Also, reactions and replies can sometimes keep messages around a bit longer, so keep that in mind. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to keep your Snapchat chats as private and fleeting as you want. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends who might need a little extra privacy too.